We learn how to make an appointment in English in Module 2, Lesson 11. Look at the calendar. What day is today? Number 1, it's the 9th. Number 2, it or 8th. Number 3, it's Thursday. Number 4, I'm not sure. The answer is number 3. It's Thursday. What day is tomorrow on this calendar? If today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. If today is Monday, what day was yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. We ask about someone's schedule by asking, when are you free? Is she busy? Free means not busy. Some people ask politely if someone is busy. When they ask this, it means they may want to make an appointment, but they do not want to be a bother or burden. A secretary or receptionist uses the prepositions of time to set appointments. She's busy at 8:30. She's busy in the morning, meaning no more time for appointments in the morning. She's busy on Tuesday morning, meaning the person needs to pick a different day. The preposition at is used for specific times. Not only the time on the clock, like 12 or 6 o'clock, but also times during the day, like lunchtime or midday. In is used with periods of time, like in the morning, but it is also used with months. My birthday is in July. Seasons, tulips bloom in the spring. Years, USA's Independence Day was in 1776. Or long periods of time. Dinosaurs lived in the Jurassic period. The preposition on is used for days. Our team meets on Tuesdays. Holidays, we shoot fireworks on New Year's Day. Or dates, he was born on March 3rd. Listen for the prepositions as Aki talks to her boyfriend on the phone.
Aki, do you want to go out this week?
Let's see. I'm at the office on Monday, and I'm busy in the evening. I'm free on Tuesday morning and Tuesday afternoon. I'm in London on Wednesday, so that's no good. I'm busy all Thursday and Friday. So, I'm only free on Tuesday. Are you free on Tuesday?
Now listen to these two businessmen talk about meeting to discuss a merger.
Brad, can we meet? We need to discuss the merger. Are you free tomorrow?
Tomorrow? No, I'm busy. But Friday, I'm free.
Okay, let's meet on Friday. How about a lunch meeting at Cafe Metro?
Sounds great. What time?
Is 12:30 okay?
Yes. See you then.
Oh, Brad, can you bring the contracts?
No problem. See you on Friday.
People agree about an appointment in many ways. Is 12:30 okay? Sounds great. Perfect. I'll be there. Great, sounds good. Okay, so on Friday, 12:30 at Cafe Metro. I'll send you a Google invitation. People also disagree in many ways, but usually they suggest another time. I'm sorry, I'm busy that day. Would Tuesday be okay? I'm sorry, I'm busy at that time. Would 12:30 be okay? I'm not sure about that. What about I'm sorry, that's not going to work. What about any chance Tuesday would work for you? We use yes or no questions and answers when we set appointments. Let's learn how to answer yes or no questions in English.
Is he available on Wednesday?
Yes, he is at 10.
How would you answer this question? Is this seat free? What is she talking about? The seat, the chair. A chair is not a person, so we use the pronoun it. That's a hint. You can say, yes, it is, or no, it isn't, or I'm not sure, I don't know. How would you answer this question? Are you free Tuesday evening? Who is he talking to? You. You call yourself I. You can say, yes, I am, or no, I'm not. If you say no, you might suggest another day. No, I'm not, but I'm free on Wednesday. You probably wouldn't say, I'm not sure, or you don't know, unless you have plans with someone that are not known. For example, you might say, I'm not sure. Jason and I were going to play badminton, but he can't find a court. Let me find out. How do you answer this question? Is Mr. Riker in the office? Who is he talking about? Mr. Riker. The noun Mr. Riker is the pronoun he. So, knowing it's he, which answers do you choose? You would say, yes, he is. No, he isn't. I'm not sure, or I don't know. I'm not sure means you want to help, but you don't have enough information. I don't know means you probably do not know Mr. Riker. To pretend means to imagine or make up something that is not true or real. We call this make believe when we are children. Make believe you are a dragon. When you answer these questions, you can pretend you are a doctor, or maybe you are. You can pretend you have a sister, or maybe you do. These questions are just so you can practice English. So pause the video and answer these questions. How did you do? Here are some possible answers. Pause the video to check your answers. Let's review. Pause the video so you can write questions and begin the questions with is or are. For example, on number 1, from the USA, are you from the USA? Here's the answers. Let's review prepositions of location. Pause the video and write the correct preposition of location in the blank. Now pause the video and write the correct preposition of time in the blanks. You can find the answers to these review questions on the free worksheet linked below this video. These are the vocabulary words that we went over in this video. Please write them in your journal. If you do not know the meaning of the word, review this video or look the words up online. Thank you for visiting the Learn English classroom. Don't forget to go to the Community tab in YouTube and leave me a message to let me know what you need. And then like and subscribe to this video so that you don't miss the next lesson.